Former Lusaka Province Minister Bowman Lusambo has been found with a case to answer in a matter he is accused of attempting to interfere with the witnesses. In this matter, Lusambo, 45, of Lusaka's Chamba Valley area, has been charged with 3 counts of attempting to interfere with a witness, contrary to Section 112(1)b, as read with Section 389(1) of the Penal Code Chapter 87 of the Laws of Zambia. Details in the matter are that Lusambo, on dates unknown but between 7th February 2022 and 7th April 2022, in order to obstruct the due course of justice, did endeavor to dissuade or prevent 3 named persons to give evidence as witnesses before court of law. And when the matter came up for ruling on case or no case to answer, before Magistrate Trevor Kasanda Thursday morning, the former minister was found with a case to answer and placed on his defense. In May 2022, the Anti-Corruption Commission SEC charged and arrested Lusambo for attempting to interfere with a witness who were to testify in a case involving him and his wife Nancy for the offense of possession of properties suspected to be proceeds of crime at Lusaka Magistrate Court. However, the matter comes up on 22nd April 2023 for commencement of defense. Margaret Chota, Movie TV News in Lusaka.